Too much can kill you. Even inhaling a small teaspoonful may also result in death. What is this mysterious chemical, and how much do we really know about it? How much is there left to find out? I've set out on a journey to learn as much as I can about this mysterious substance.
Water is really an amazing substance. The human body is roughly 55 to 60% water, yet this most basic of chemicals is also one of the most dangerous. Each year, literally lots of people die from too much water or too little. An excess of water could kill you, but also too little could. It's a literal Goldilocks problem for the real world.
Yeah, I'd say I drink them a lot.
I've been known to on occasion.
You know, I don't really, but I wish I could do it more.
Water can be a very dangerous thing. People drown all the time, after all. Even though our bodies are roughly 70% water, what happens if you get too much? There's a condition called hyponatremia that results from too much water. This is basically where your sodium content is diluted by the excess water. And what this can lead to is decreased nerve function, decreased cell function, coma, or even death.
All this from too much water?
Yes.
So why do we even need water? With all the trouble it causes us, wouldn't it be better to simply avoid the stuff altogether? Water is an essential part of our body's functions. Our bodies are about 65% water, and our blood alone is 55%. It is that water that allows the blood to carry oxygen to the cells and carry waste away from the cells. Without water, our blood would simply coagulate in our veins and we would die. None of our body's functions could operate without water. Wow, water really is a dangerous substance. I'm really going to have to be more careful about how much I drink. Water is a very mysterious chemical. It can exist in 3 separate forms.
One form is as hard as rock, and what were once thought to be islands at the North Pole are actually mounds of this mysterious hard water. In another state, you could pass your whole body through it without hardly feeling it. The third state is rainwater, which you see every day when it rains.
Water is one of the few substances that gets bigger when it gets colder. That's why ice will float in a cup of water.
You know, I didn't believe that at first, but I tried it, and sure enough, it's true.
This is also why frostbite is so deadly. Since our bodies are roughly 75% water, if that water freezes, it will rupture cells and cause tissue death.
Not only is water common in our bodies, making up about 80% of our total composition, it's common in the environment also. Lakes, rivers, streams, and oceans are all examples of these natural water reservoirs. But also, clouds and snow are also examples. Once I found out how common water is in nature, I decided to figure out how you can go about collecting it from nature.
Yeah, I'd say water is important, since our bodies are about 95% water. So if you ever find yourself someplace where you don't have a quick source of water, you're going to need to secure yourself some drinking water. A lot of people think it's okay to drink your pee, but that's really not true because your pee is just a compound of ammonia, nitrogen, battery acid, and lye. So that's not really something you'd want to be drinking. Some good sources of water are solar stills, or you could collect rainwater.
Wow, I sure learned a lot about water today. I learned that it comes in 3 distinct forms, it makes up 99.9% of our bodies, and it's essential to life. I hope you've all gained a deeper appreciation for this wonderful liquid.